Follow this one. Egg. This is the chiller.
Hi guys, සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ මගේ YouTube channel එකට. අපි අද යනවා එළියට. ඉතින් අපි පල්ලෙහාට ගිහින් හම්බෙමු.
ඉතින් ගයිස් අද මට තියෙනවා ට්‍රේනින් එකක්. ඒකට යනවා ඉතින් වැඩපළේ යාළුවෝ සෙට් එකම. ඉතින් බලමු අද මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා.
24 hours later.
Plan this one. If there is like dinosaur come. Follow this one and this one, guys. You have to click the down. Yes, of course. Go, yala, inside, come. Okay. And press the ground floor. Perfect, right? It's a yellow one and the red one.
A few minutes later. Yeah, boy.
This one, guys, you can see it's just nothing. Okay, so perfect na. And now, guys, very careful with your feet. Now you're going to jump in the hole. You want English one now? Oh my God! Wow! Yes, please. Mom, is that okay, madam? Thank you so much. You go straight and you go to the right. Here, guys, you can see a lot of products. You can buy dairy milk or you or else be easy. All this stuff. Guys, what are you doing? This is a vegetable. If you are healthy living, you can buy veggies.
A few minutes later.
We need to eat food. First floor. First floor.
Huh?
Guys, you see this one? This egg. This is the chiller. What is the temperature? Nothing. Or if you can see there is boba bar. If you have biba. And this one patay.